Hello guys, Herkimer Random here at youtube.com. If you like my channel, like, subscribe, press that bell button for all notifications. Or you can click on the bottom right corner of your screen and click on my face and just hit subscribe that way. You can see I'm making some blueberry muffin mix here. Jiffy, of course. This is not a promotional video. So you'll need an egg. I need a box of Jiffy blueberry muffin mix. A mixing bowl. And at 1/4 of milk, which is not very much. You can see it's about 2 ounces or so. And then a tin pan. As you can see here, this is a tin pan, but I actually have silicone in here, so I don't have to grease the pan. So if you don't have these, make sure you grease the bottom of your pan here. So these are silicones that are going to go in the oven. So these are nice to have. It makes it easy to take out, and that way you don't burn you don't burn them as easy. So you need a mixing bowl, 1 egg, Jiffy blueberry mix, a tin pan, and if you do have silicones, go ahead and put them in there, and then go in the oven. They need to go up to about 475 degrees or maybe higher. So put those in there. Get yourself this to pour in. Basically, just get all your stuff ready and you're ready to go. And these yield 6 muffins approximately. So I'm just making these for something to do. So I'll show you what they look like when they come out. And like I said, these are awesome to have if you've got them at home. It makes baking so much easier. And then, of course, if you want to, if you guys wanted to, you can add stuff to your blueberry. You can even add some chocolate chips in here, or white chocolate chips, or whatever you want to add to it. Get some flavor, or put some, mix some other type of nuts or anything in there. All right, guys. So we'll get going on this as soon as we can. And I'll mix it all together, and we're going to pour it into here, which just says 2/3 full that you fill them up to, and we'll be right back with you. All right, there's our muffin mix. You can see all the blueberries in there and stuff. We're going to put our egg in there and milk and mix it together. It's going to be doughy and stuff a little bit. So, but if it's too thick, just add a little bit more milk in there, and that should help out a little bit. All right, we'll start mixing this up, and then we'll continue from there. Hope you guys enjoy this video. It's just a fun little video to do, something that you guys can do at home, or you make your own muffin mix muffins at home. You guys know how to do that and how to bake, for all you bakers out there growing up or whatever. I've been doing this for baking since I was 12 or younger. Just learning from my mom and stuff, and I kept on staying in the baking business and restaurant business for about 32 years. All right, we got our egg and milk in there. We're going to mix that together here. All right, as you can see, we got it mixed together here. We used our whisk, and as I said, it's going to be doughy. But we're only going to fill these silicone cups over here 2/3 full. So we'll mix up a little bit more in there. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 8 to 12 minutes at 400 degrees. Just make sure you keep an eye on them, because you don't want them to burn, of course, if you don't have silicone cupcake holders or muffin holders. Just so you can see again, there you go. So that's what I'm using, but if you don't have them, make sure you grease those. All right, with some type of grease. You guys know what kind of grease. Our non-sticking spray will work also. And they got different colors you can choose from too, from the store and stuff. I guess it's just to make it more festive, obviously. All right, guys, we're gonna fill these up and see how it goes. All right, guys, these are ready to go in the oven. Bake 12 to 15 minutes until they're light golden brown. And check on them every about 6 minutes is what I do. So in the oven at 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes approximately. And like I said, these are silicone holders, which can go up to about 500 degrees, I believe. But if you don't have them, make sure you grease the bottom of your pan with a non-stick spray or grease of some type. All right, into the oven we go. All right, guys, you can see this is starting to rise up a little bit, and they're not there yet, obviously. They're starting to come above there, and pretty soon they'll be out of the oven. Like I said, it takes about 12 to 15 minutes. Make sure you check on it every few minutes just to make sure they're not burning or anything, especially if you don't have a silicone cup, things like these. As you guys can see, these are starting to rise up now. They're not quite ready yet, but they're starting to get to that golden brown color just about. And probably another 5 minutes at the most, hopefully. All right, we'll be back shortly and show you what the finished product looks like. Talk to you soon. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I think these muffins are ready to come out. What do you think? Tell me in the comments when you get a chance to. Or take them out, let them cool off. Like I said, these silicone cup thing holders are great to have. Put them right in there, makes it much easier to use and you don't burn as easily. Alright guys, let me take them out of these ovens here in just a second. Also guys, you see I put this on a bigger tray also, just in case there's anything that would spill over, just to be on the safe side. But nothing spilled over, so that's good. Like I said, these are filled 2/3 full. I made them equal as possible, so they all look pretty about the same size. Most of them, not all of them, but I think I did a pretty good job. I think these look very beautiful in the way they came out. Hope you guys enjoyed this little bake thing here with blueberry muffins from Jiffy Mix. And just to remind you, this is not a promotion, so I have to say that as a disclaimer, so don't get to strike against it or whatever you call it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This is Herkimer at random at youtube.com. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button, or click on the bottom right hand corner of your screen there, click on my face, and it should bring up a subscribe button or take you to my channel, one of the two. Thanks for watching. Have a great night, and have happy holidays that are all coming up. Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. Sorry, I had a pause there for I'm like, wait, what holidays are coming up? But now we know. See you soon, guys. See you back with some more videos. My variety stuff. Good night.